Ready to start shopping with flexibility? Today, I'm walking you through the super simple process of creating your very own Klarna account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Whether you're on your phone or computer, setting up Klarna only takes a few minutes. Let's get you signed up. First, choose your method. You can download the Klarna app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or you can simply visit the Klarna website on your computer. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. You'll need to enter some basic information like your email address, a strong password, and your mobile phone number. Klarna uses this to keep your account secure. Next, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This is a crucial security step. You'll typically need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and your social security number. This allows Klarna to perform a soft credit check, which doesn't affect your credit score, to determine your initial spending limit. After that, you'll need to add a payment method. This is how Klarna collects your payments. You can link a debit card, credit card, or even your bank account directly. I'll have detailed guides on how to do each of these in separate videos. And that's it. Once your information is confirmed, your account is active and ready to use. You can immediately start shopping at thousands of online stores. Found this guide helpful? Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and let me know which Klarna tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.